Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to get the best deals on Steam sales. To do that, start by navigating to isthereanydeal.com, a comprehensive platform that tracks game prices across various digital distribution platforms, including Steam. Then sign up for an account on isthereanydeal.com to unlock additional features such as wish lists, price tracking, and personalized notification. This ensures you stay informed about the best deals. Familiarize yourself with the isthereanydeal.com interface. The homepage displays featured deals and popular games, while the search bar allows you to find specific titles. Use the wishlist feature to add games you're interested in purchasing. IsThereAnyDeal.com will notify you when these games go on sale, helping you stay informed about the best opportunities. Activate price tracking for your wishlist items. This feature allows you to receive real-time notifications when the price of a game drops, ensuring you never miss a great deal. Then analyze the historical prices of games to identify trends and determine the best times to make a purchase. IsThereAnyDeal.com provides a graphical representation of price fluctuations, empowering you to make informed decisions. And that's how to get the best deals on Steam sales. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.